Would Kentucky voters approve and/or favor a ban on assault weapons? Presented by Macaulay, Minton, and Lemos. Introduction. America has a complex relationship with guns. Guns, sadly, have been integrated into the fabric of American society and culture from the beginning of American history. Guns remain a source of pride, prestige, and sometimes social status. The early Americans used their guns for daily lives, such as hunting, shooting, for sport, or many times, since in the early days the country was still developing and had little to no law enforcement. Most gun owners counted on their right to bear arms as part of American freedom. In current times, there has been a rise in mass shootings, and gun related violence has increased the debates over gun policy. A specific proposal that has been suggested is a state constitutional amendment that would ban the possession of assault weapons, as well as the manufacturing, selling, transferring, and receiving of such weapons. Literature review. After the mass shooting that occurred at Sandy Hook Elementary School in December of 2012, there have been a substantial progress in state legislators across the country that have increased gun laws. For the Giffords Law Center, there has been 137 gun safety bills enacted in 32 states and Washington, D.C. as of December 2019. For those that favor having guns, there has been a reaction called the Second Amendment Sanctuary, which is a movement which localities pass resolutions that declare the proposed state and sometimes federal gun laws are unconstitutional and simply will not enforce them.
Created using SurveyMonkey and consisted of 15 questions related to gun control and demographics. A qualifier question was used to ensure that respondents were registered voters in Kentucky. Out of 141 participants who attempted to start the survey, 16 were disqualified and 125 respondents qualified. 4 respondents abandoned the survey. A simple model explaining our assumptions and a hypothesis. Concerns about mass shootings plus previous data showing support for stricter gun laws in Kentucky equal higher likelihood for support for a ban on assault weapons. Another's gun right advocates plus opposition to gun control measures equal lower likelihood of support for a ban on assault weapons. The survey asked if respondents would support a state constitutional amendment that would ban the possession of assault weapons as well as the manufacturing, selling, transferring, and receiving of such weapons. Out of 123 people who answered, 56.1% agreed at varying levels, 10.5% neither agreed nor disagreed, and 33.34% disagreed at varying levels. Of 123 respondents, or 69%, agreed that assault weapons is defined as a firearm with certain features. 14.63% neither agreed nor disagreed, and 10.57% agreed at varying levels. These results provide insight into how people define assault weapons and can help inform discussions around gun control policies. Of 123 respondents, 67.48% agreed that gun violence is a major problem. On the other hand, 18.89% disagreed at varying levels. These results can inform decisions and discussions about gun violence prevention and intervention efforts in Kentucky. Show of 123 respondents, 42.28% believe that an assault weapons ban would effectively reduce gun violence. 42.28% disagreed at varying levels. It's important to note that 15.45% neither agree nor disagree. These results can help inform decisions and discussions around gun control policies and provide insight into the public's perception of the effectiveness of an assault weapons ban in reducing gun violence. Few residents believe that gun laws are not currently balanced to protect the rights of gun owners while ensuring community safety. They define assault weapons as firearms with specific features and would support a state constitutional amendment to ban them. These findings suggest that Kentuckians may be more likely to support stricter gun control measures that target assault weapons.